using up your small pieces of ephemera and scraps, lace scraps, ribbon scraps, we can make these beautiful book page cluster tags. Won't you join me? Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. I wanted to show you these small pieces of what I use to make my little clusters. I have some small labels. I have some tabs. I have some scraps of laces. I have some small buttons, and I love to put the thread through the holes of the buttons. I have some small butterflies and some torn pieces of music paper. I will also be using some cardstock. I've chosen to use my coffee dyed cardstock, even though I'm not sure it's really going to show. And then I have a large book page here. I cut my cardstock so that it was about 2 inches across, and you can make it as long as you want because we will be cutting this down. I have my book page here, and I trimmed it so that when I put my cardstock inside, it pretty much covers it up. Not completely, you can still see a little bit of it. I decided to ink it all up. So now my book page is inked. I didn't ink up my cardstock page, but maybe I should go ahead and do that. It is summertime, and yes, I have a sweater on. Sometimes I get cold inside with the air conditioning on. My husband is hot-blooded and I'm cold-blooded, so I put the sweater on when I get cold. I'm going to glue my book page onto my cardstock on both sides. I made 2 of these little strips. Mine happen to be 8.5 inches long. I want to cut them to be about 4.5 inches long each. Hopefully these are dry enough that we can cut them into a tag shape. I actually have a punch. It's not a corner rounder. It actually makes like little tag shapes at the corner. Here, let me show you. Here, it just cuts that little corner off like that. So if you use the same notch, then your tag is even on both sides. And then I'll use my corner rounder for the bottom. And I'll do that on the remaining 3. I'm going to be using my ribbon punch, and I'll be placing a hole at the top of my tags. Now let's bring in our little dish. Let's see if I can position it here so you could see too. I just got some brand new tea-dyed distressed ink. That's my favorite color. I used it so much I already have run out. All right, so let's take our first tag, and I have some larger pieces of lace that I think it would be really fun to put on the edge of the tag. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue, and then let's start layering it up. This label and this label. Super cute already. I have a tab here. I'm not sure I want to use it. You could put it at the top, put a hole in the top, but you could go ahead and put it in the top. Actually, it's really cute on there. I think I might go ahead and do that and just cover that up. You don't have to have a hole in the top of it. I just think that's pretty cute. This brown matches this brown, and then the blues. I really like this side. All right, so let me think about that. Here's a little butterfly that we can pop on there. Oh, that is super cute. I have some more tiny pieces of lace that I could add. I kind of like it going that way. It's a great way to use up little tiny pieces of lace and fabric. I just find like I just can't throw them away. We have some pieces of music paper. Yeah, I don't think that's going to fit in there. I have a button. I think a button would be definitely necessary right there. Oh my goodness, isn't that really pretty on there? So let's try a tab and let's try some blue sari silk and see which one we like best at the top. So let's try the sari silk first. Oh, the sari silk is really pretty with that, isn't it? Now let's try the tab. Oh, I like the sari silk better. So I'm gonna pop the sari silk on there. Yeah, I actually think maybe an oversized bow is what it's calling for. I think I'd like to tack the streamers of the bow down just a little bit. I love it. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So I have a little label, and I have two labels. One is floral. And let's bring in our music paper now so that we can put it down first so we can layer this up. Let's just check and see what else do we have. We have some heavier lace and some lace that I dyed with some ink. Shall we try a tab on this one? That's really pretty. We might need a little bit of some flat lace, possibly underneath one of these pieces. Let's try this. I'm going to glue it right onto the back of this label here. All right, so I like that tab on there. Oh, I like this one better because it brings out the dark of this label right here. I'm going to go ahead and glue this in place. Even though we popped a hole in there, we can still change our mind. All right, so the tab's in place, and I wanted to lay down this music paper first, so it's underneath. I think this pink lace, because I'd like this one to be like this, I think. Maybe turn just a little bit. So I'm going to glue this lace onto this label first. Kind of place it maybe at an angle, something like that. And then we've got this label we added the lace to. And I had this one I thought I was going to use. Let's see here. Ooh, now I'm not so sure. I think that's plenty, although we might need a butterfly. Let's see here. Oh, that's pretty. All right, let's get the label glued down. I'm not sure that we want a button on this one. I have a very small button right here. Nope, I'm going to go with the flat back pearl. Oh, that's super cute. I have another piece of lace that's bigger than those other pieces. I really thought I wanted to use this on the side like we did the other one. Let's use this label. Some more of that heavy lace. Look at this lace, it's white. That goes better with the lace on the side. Here's a bigger butterfly. Oh, I think he's way too big. I only have blue and what's really looks like lavender to me. We haven't put any of the music paper on there. Well, let's definitely get this lace placed down. I kind of like that added little piece of lace there. So let's get this glued down first. And then I'm going to add this right here. And I'm not sure that we're going to use the music paper. Let's add that music right up there at the top. I was going to put that up there, but it's going to cover up my music paper. I could put it right there. The butterfly here, I think it might be just a little too harsh looking. So let's see if we can tone it down a little bit. Oh, that's much better. But I don't see where a button's going to work. It just kind of sticks out funny. So I guess another flat back pearl on this one that is pinker or purplier than this one. Do we like that on there? Or would we rather have, I'm going to leave it, just leave it. And we'll see what we come up with this one to see, because I'd like to have maybe 2 sari silk and 2 with the label. All right, let's do another one. Let's do this label. No, I don't want to have 2 rectangles, so maybe something like this. There's a green butterfly. Oh, that's cute. I got to get back in my lace scrap pile. I need something else. Here's my lace box. Why I got up to get my lace box, I grabbed a couple of different styles of safety pins. Maybe we could put a bead on this one and hang it down like that. Oh, that would be cute. Okay, we'll work on that. Let's get back to our cluster. I was looking for a longer piece of lace or something. I don't know, it just seemed like it needed something else. There's a heavier piece of lace. I wonder if we just put it underneath all of this. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'm gonna glue this. Let me move this box. I have a music tab, a script tab, but I think this one might get Sorry Silk, and this one's gonna get the tab. So I added the bulb pin with a dangle on this one. I love how that has turned out. This is the one that I added the safety pin to. I love this one with that tab. I think it pulls it all together. And then there's this blue one. These were so much fun to make. I love using up my little pieces in a very useful way. We can all use tags in our junk journals. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.